Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting in the guide. Press the Xbox button now and head to Profile and System, then Settings. Once in Settings, choose Devices and Connections and open Accessories so you can manage the controller directly. This step locates the controller profile. Without it, you can't change vibration. Make sure your controller is on and connected via wireless or USB. If it's paired to another console, unpair or reconnect here so the controller appears in the Accessories app. Once the controller page is visible, select the controller and choose Configure. You'll see button mapping and vibration options. Open vibration settings to adjust haptics. Toggle vibration to off. This cuts motor feedback but keeps button inputs unchanged. After changing, save the configuration to the controller profile, otherwise changes revert. If you want per-game behavior later, create multiple profiles now. Remember that wired and wireless modes use the same. Finish by testing. Launch a game with known rumble or use the Accessories test feature to confirm vibration is off. If you still feel motors, restart the console to apply settings system-wide. Once done, make sure the controller firmware is up to date in Accessories. Outdated firmware can ignore new settings. If problems continue, try a different USB cable or repair the controller. One key tip: check for duplicate profiles. The active profile must be the one you edited, otherwise vibration may remain enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.